Hi, today's lesson will be of verbal dysplasia significant progressive, also known as FOP. It is caused by genetic mutation in the ACVR1 gene. It sends the wrong signal to create more bone cells. Some symptoms may include malformed big toes, bone bumps, and painful lumps and bumps. Some of you might question, why is there bone bumps and painful lumps? Well, isn't it the same thing? Well, the answer is no. Painful lumps and bumps is caused by overgrown tissue and inflation of them, while bone bumps is caused by overgrown bones. This is the basic of FOP and basic symptoms, but this is not all. The malformed big toe, as you see in the top, is caused when there is a when it's bended, missing joint, or shorter. Yet, even if you see all these three symptoms, it not 100% indicate that you have FOP. FOP starts in childhood, so even though if your child has all three, it might not 100% just be that. I just suggest taking to the doctor. Other symptoms of FOP may include the painful lumps and bumps starting in the back, head, and shoulders. That's where they tend to start. And don't be that worried about FOP, even though you should do caution about them. But FOP is only a pretty rare scenario, about a few dozen and a few billions people in Earth. FOP is also caused by mutation in a single letter of the DNA, which is misspelled. As you might know, DNA is spelled in letters to make it easier to define. And FOP is basically, in make easier terms, just when you hurt your muscle and inflation in the muscle, instead of using muscle cells, and use bone cell to fix it, which is not what we want. It's the most basic way is probably saying, like when you're driving your car, when you hit the brake button, it actually accelerates the car, which is not what you want, which actually could be very dangerous, just as FOP could be too. So if you have FOP, you have to instantly stop all the activity that requires you to move your muscle and stuff, because muscle skeleton, because you don't want any of them to have inflation and make more chaos in your body.